Story 1. Paper planes. Today in science class, we made paper airplanes. Our teacher said, "We will see which airplane flies the farthest." Everyone wanted his or her airplane to fly far. Of course, I wanted mine to fly farther than the others. I wanted it to fly the farthest of all. We stood at the front of the class and took turns throwing our airplanes. The teacher had a ruler. She measured how far each airplane traveled. Some airplanes did not go far. They flew only 2 meters and then fell to the floor. Most of the airplanes went farther. They traveled 7 or 8 meters before falling. It was my turn. I stood at the starting line and said, 1, 2, 3, go. I threw it as hard as I was able to. I eagerly watched it fly high above the floor. After about 6 or 7 long seconds, it landed almost at the back of the room. 10 meters, said our teacher. That is far. That is the farthest. Yeah, that's it. I did it. I jumped and was very happy. Then, there was only one boy left. He threw his airplane into the air. It flew across the room steadily, straight and far. Finally, it landed a little farther than mine. The teacher laughed. "This is the farthest," she said. Bill's airplane flew the farthest of all. Bill smiled proudly. He ran to pick up his airplane and showed it to us. It turns out that he added a paper clip at the front of the airplane. Everyone applauded Bill. Although I didn't win and I didn't tie with Bill either, I was happy with the result. It was good enough for me. Without adding any devices, my paper plane flew the farthest. I am a happy flyer.